Understanding reservation number, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very common and useful phrase, reservation number. Whether you're booking a hotel, a flight, or making a reservation at a restaurant, this term is universally important. Let's dive into what it means, how to use it, and why it's essential in everyday English conversations. A reservation number is a unique series of letters and/or numbers given to you when you make a reservation. It acts as a confirmation of your booking. Think of it as a special code that identifies your specific booking among thousands of others. It's crucial for verifying and accessing your reservation details. You'll encounter a reservation number in many situations. Here are a few common scenarios. 1. Travel. When booking flights or train tickets. 2. Accommodation. While reserving hotel rooms or rental properties. 3. Events. When buying tickets for concerts, theaters, or sports events. 4. Services, such as spa appointments or restaurant tables. In these situations, your reservation number is your proof of booking and is often required for check-in or verification. 1. Keep it safe. Always write down or save your reservation number. 2. Provide when asked. You'll need to provide this number when checking in or confirming your reservation. 3. Problem solving. If there are any issues with your booking, your reservation number will help in resolving them quickly. Double-check the number when you receive it. Don't share your reservation number publicly to avoid fraud. If you lose your number, contact the service provider immediately. Let's see how reservation number is used in real-life conversations. Could you please confirm your reservation number? I have a reservation under the number XYZ123. I lost my reservation number. Can you assist me? And there you have it. Understanding and using the phrase, reservation number, is simple but vital in many aspects of English communication, especially in travel and bookings. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this term. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.